the muscles naturally. No needles, no creams, just move and glow. 5 minutes a day, let your beauty show. Puff out your cheeks, roll your tongue around. Smile so big, don't hold it down. Circle the eyes, lift up the brow. You're getting younger, look at you now. Face yoga, feel the groove. Let the stress go, let your face move. Face yoga, make it fun. You're the sunshine, you're the one. Tilt your head and stick your tongue. Hold that pose, count to 1. Stretch the jaw. Step 1, lift it up, feel the glow. Step 2, smile wide, let it flow. Step 3, eyes bright, now you know. Glow, glow, glow. Step 1, lift it up, feel the glow. Step 2, smile wide, let it flow. Step 3, eyes bright, now you know. Glow, glow, glow. Close your eyes, feel the quiet flow. Touch your skin with love, let the healing grow. Lines of thought now fade away. Welcome the calm of a brand new day. Lift your brow, let the light come through. You're becoming soft, you're becoming true. With every breath, with every sign, you release the past, and now you shine. Stroke the forehead, slow and kind. Let your fingers ease your busy mind. whispers of peace in every trace, finding joy upon your face. All the worry, all the strain, wash away like gentle rain. You deserve to feel so free, like the ocean, deep and easy. Lift your brow, let the light come through. You're becoming soft, you're becoming true. With every breath, with every sign, you release the past, and now you shine. Stroke the forehead, slow and kind. Let your fingers ease your busy mind. With whispers of peace in every chime, finding joy upon your face. Hold this moment soft and still. Your beauty rises with your will. Every time you give this. Smile wide, open your eyes. Let your cheeks begin to rise. Move your tongue from left to right. Let your beauty shine so bright. Circle lips, say U then E. Feel the stretch, just let it be. Lift your face and breathe in deep. Love yourself, your soul will keep. Let's move that face, stretch with grace. Tongue and smile, find your pace. Shine inside, glow with pride. You're enough, no need to hide. Pout it out and raise your chin. Draw a circle with your grin. Feel the flow beneath your skin. begins from deep within. Let's move that face, stretch with grace. Tongue and smile, find your pace. Shine inside, glow with pride. You're enough, no need to hide. Let's move that face, stretch with grace. Tongue and smile, find your pace. Shine inside, glow with pride. You're enough, no need to hide. Smile for you, not just the world. Let your beauty be unfurled. Every day, just take this time. Stretch and sing, you're doing fine. Morning light falls on my face. I breathe in deep, a quiet space. Touch below my sleepy eyes. Press and feel the tension rise. Gentle circles, temple glow. Let the healing start to flow. Beauty in my fingertips, flowing through with ancient tips. Japanese touch, soft and wise, lifts my heart and opens my eyes. Cheekbone points, a hidden gate, melts the stress, resets my state. One small press and I feel light, glowing softly from inside. In a world that moves so fast, this small moment's made to last. Beauty in my fingertips, flowing through with ancient tips. Japanese touch, soft. Let's do some face yoga, just you and me. Wake up the muscles naturally. No needles, no creams, just move and glow. 5 minutes a day, let your beauty show. Puff out your cheeks, roll your tongue around. Smile so big, don't hold it down. Circle the eyes, lift up the brow. You're getting younger, look at you now. Face yoga, feel the groove. Let the stress go, let your face move. Face yoga, make it fun. You're the sunshine, you're the one. Tilt your head and stick your tongue. Hold that pose, count to 1. Stretch the jaw, open wide. Let your sparkle shine inside. Face yoga, feel the beat. Glowing skin and lifted cheeks. Face yoga, every day. Let your worries drift away. Breathe in, breathe out, let the tension fade. Lift your cheeks, let the smile cascade. Roll your shoulders, stretch so wide. Feel the glow, let joy reside. Soft and smooth, let your skin shine bright. A little movement feels so right. Relax, release, let worries go. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. Go and flow, let the beauty Wake the skin, circle gently. Tap your temples. Wake the skin, circle gently.
Please do this twice a day, morning and night, as a daily routine. If you cannot do it, you can do it in the gap. Let's make it a habit together. If you like our videos, please subscribe and like our channel. We did it! We are also waiting for your comments. See you again. Bye.